Ever wondered why your investments feel like they're stuck in a dusty old playbook while everyone else seems to be playing a high-tech game? You're not alone. And it's exactly that feeling, that frustration, that led to the birth of something called StashAway. But let's rewind a bit. What if I told you that the future of investing wasn't about fancy suits and Wall Street jargon, but about algorithms and global diversification? Sounds intriguing, right? See, the traditional investment landscape was, and to some extent still is, built on layers of complexity and exclusivity. High fees, limited access, and a reliance on gut feeling rather than data-driven strategies. It's a system that often leaves the average investor feeling overwhelmed and underserved. And that's where the story of StashAway begins. Picture this: Michele Ferrario, a seasoned entrepreneur with a background in e-commerce and venture building, starts questioning the status quo of wealth management. He sees the potential for technology to democratize investing, to make it accessible and transparent for everyone, regardless of their background or wealth. He recognized a gap in the market, a need for a platform that could provide sophisticated, personalized investment strategies without the traditional barriers. So, he teamed up with Nino Olsamer, a financial expert with a deep understanding of portfolio management and risk assessment, and Freddie Lim, a technology guru with a knack for building user-friendly platforms. This powerhouse trio, with their diverse expertise, set out to build a solution. They asked, how can we leverage technology to create a more efficient and effective investment experience? How can we empower individuals to take control of their financial future? And, perhaps most importantly, how can we make it accessible to everyone, not just the wealthy elite? The answer, they believed, was in building a digital wealth management platform that utilized a sophisticated economic regime-based asset allocation (ERAA) framework. This framework, driven by data and algorithms, allows for dynamic portfolio adjustments based on changing economic conditions. Essentially, it's about making smarter, data-driven decisions rather than relying on guesswork or emotional impulses. But building the platform wasn't just about the technology. It was also about creating a user-friendly experience, one that was intuitive and transparent. They wanted to demystify the world of investing, to provide clear and concise information, and to empower users to make informed decisions. And so, StashAway was born, not in a stuffy boardroom, but in the heart of Southeast Asia, a region known for its rapid economic growth and burgeoning middle class. It was a response to the growing demand for accessible and transparent wealth management solutions, a solution built for the digital age. From its humble beginnings, StashAway has expanded its reach, bringing its innovative approach to investing to a wider audience. It's a testament to the power of technology to disrupt traditional industries and to create opportunities for individuals to achieve their financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.